All right, and then I swear it didn't work last time. Okay, so let's put an @ symbol in there and throw an @ symbol in here. See if it does that. What? Why is it working today, but it didn't work the other day? Were you there, Annie, on Tuesday?
No, unfortunately, I missed it.
Oh, okay. And then it should. I can't believe it works today, but it didn't work the other day. That's so sad. We would have had it. Hey, get up there. Okay. Oh, hit save. And then come down here. Sure, now it works. Okay. All right, so now we know we can use this to change our word or phrase. I'm just gonna leave that like that. But now our problem is to check to see if it's a palindrome.
Should there not be a third one?
What do you mean a third one?
Because you've got line 11 through 13 as dish, and then there's 3 hello worlds that you're console logging, but I only see 2 in your console log.
Oh, you're so right. Okay. Let's do this one. Oh, interesting. Why is it not running the last one? Oh, because I'm still running Tuesdays. Whoops. Okay, see, and there it doesn't work. Thank you. I feel better now. Okay. And that's where we tried this with the G and another comma, and it still didn't work. It actually inserted it. Oh, I totally see what it's doing. It's like the split. Or not split, but I see what it's doing. It's not inserting this, it's inserting this in its place. That's good to know. But when we do this, it doesn't work either. And it doesn't take anything out. Or that's right, it only took out the first one, but not its recurring one.
Are you not putting, it looks like it's putting the second one back in? Is that what's happening?
Wait a minute, hold on. Yeah, let me try this. It looks like it's actually putting, it actually took out the comma too, but then put it in there. Well, that's weird. It just put the comma in this. So that looks like it is taking the comma out. Oh wait, hold on. I don't want to do that. I'm trying to keep them separate so we can see them if we're just looking at the code type of thing. Okay, so that did work, right?
I
But
remember,
But only if there's one occurrence?
is it that or is it? Because I remember doing in Java for the validations where the center, if you had two variables, it would just basically cut and remove it. But if you put a third variable in, it would insert that back into it.
Yeah, I do remember that now too. Not
And
just
it
in
kind of,
Java though, I think we do it in Python too. It doesn't matter really, I just need. That works. No, those are allowable characters. I guess it would. All right, so let's do.
Sorry, Miss, I have a quick question for the dot split and then the dot join. So the split is splitting the characters and the join is just getting rid of the spaces?
Yeah, so what the split's going to wherever the spaces is, I guess, and the join is just, yeah, it's literally just removing it.
Oh, so if we don't do the split, just do the join, are we getting the same thing? Like I'm a little bit confused here.
So this should just smush everybody together. Yeah, so if we take out the join. It just errors out. Oh, because I don't have the, hang on, let me try that. It actually puts it into an array.
Yeah.
Interesting. But then adding that dot join in, just, it takes it out and smushes it all together.
Okay.
Okay. So W3, I like W3 schools better. So much easier. That's a regular expression. Okay. Interesting. I wonder if we could do the regex with like the white space. So why did it not work when I had all of them?
so if the on line 24, you have three variables in your replace, right? Whereas the other ones you have two.
Right.
And so I don't know if the
I don't know if
the
that third
third
one's
one,
doing anything.
yeah, it's like it's clipping it out or something.
No, that's interesting. It left the exclamation point and the comma. It didn't do anything on this one.
But the spaces, I guess the split did that. But your pattern that you're looking for, it's looking for that whole pattern. I think you'd have to space them all out.
Oh, like this?
With like a backslash or something is what it wants.
Oh, I see what you mean, like this.
Yeah, I think that's what separates individual characters.
Well, that won't work. I feel like there's something else going on because like some of them are red and some of them are yellow. Like I feel like
Is-
this one might work for the quest days the one thing. No, it won't.
Do they each need to be in quotes to make them strings?
I don't know. Okay, so we don't want the whole thing matched. What if we put it in, maybe it's the bracket, maybe we need to do it in brackets? Like that? Nope. Maybe try. I was just trying something. Or just. Hmm. So we know this works. There has to be a way like this, but I feel like we're just missing something super simple. Okay. Both of the following expressions match all strings that contain a digit. Which makes sense. If it contains any type of digit, it's going to say yes. The backslash. String boundaries, choice patterns. This is what we want. We want it to replace. Replaces P with M. First argument can also be a regular expression, in which case the first match is replaced. When a option G is for global, all matches in the string will be replaced, not just the first. So but that didn't replace. Oh, it replaced it with A. Okay, I see it. But it just replaced the O, not the U. Maybe the plus sign? No. Ooh. Is there a way to go from A to Z and do a not symbol like that? I know we could do 0 through 9. We could try that. It was what? This? Not. And then it was just the letters, right? Oh, I have to put the brackets around it. Let me try that for a second. That should replace everything but this one A, if I'm understanding it correctly. Hey, we did it. I guess you can do it A through Z. Okay, so replace. Oh, I don't know why I'm doing that. Means not in A through Z. Okay, so now how would we take, we've managed to change the string so it's all the same. How do we check if it's the same forwards as it is backwards for a palindrome? What would we need to do to actually take it and flip it? Anyone have any ideas? Interesting. But can I loop through a string? Like if I were to, right? Oh, very nice. Okay. So, yeah, that's basically what he was just saying. Put it, if we were to put it into, if we split it, it puts it into an array or a list, and then we can. So we're gonna do, let's make a helper function. And then we just do, oh, and return fixed. Return fixed. Oh, that's good. I like it. Why is this yelling at me? Do I have new someplace else on here? I didn't think I did. Let's do race car. Just because I want to make sure it's working right. Hey, that did not work like I hoped it would. Hmm. Maybe we do a for loop. It's been a while since I've done this one. So for r equals less than. I have no idea. What would the length be? I don't think it has a length, does it? Oh, it does. Yeah, we'd still have to flip the other one around, wouldn't we? Are you saying, you're saying like that? Or just in general? Hmm. But that only gets us the first word. Oh, wait, and then you were saying the last half. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Maybe if we did. I wonder if we could do it outside of a loop. I just realized I didn't have my loop set up properly. That's weird. I'm surprised it actually worked. What if we did? Apparently I spelled first wrong. Oh, I didn't like that. I guess it needs to be in a loop. Okay. Oh, I think I see what you mean. I don't know, I'm just trying to think of something. Nope, that didn't work. Interesting. No, it almost looks like it. Oh, wait. How that length? Right. Does it need to be piled up length minus I minus 1? Interesting. Okay. So then it should say yes. Okay. So let's try. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Um, if it never hits the else statement, so then we can just do. Or actually, I meant to return palindrome. So if it never hits the else statement, it should stay true. I guess it would help if I put these in console logs now. Nice. So I guess we don't need this anymore. And actually, to clean up the code, we could do this. If it does not equal, palindrome goes to false. don't need the else statement now. Otherwise, we just do that. I like that. Okay, so does that make sense to everybody? No, that's what I was gonna ask. Do we need to have it separate? What do you guys feel about, how do you guys feel about having that helper function separate? True, it would. For readability wise, that's a good question. I personally like the use of helper functions. Because it helps to make functions smaller in general. Usually, anyways. But it's also something that, is that something that I could potentially use someplace else for another type of function? Exactly. I can reuse that normalized function somewhere else. So it was just, that's just what my first thought was, is it was something that could potentially be used somewhere else. So that's why I did that. But it sounds like, Chris, it sounds like you would be the type of person that would put it in the function initially. Which isn't wrong either. Either one I think is fine. It's just a matter of your reasoning. It sounds like your reasoning would have been less code. But what if we had a function where, like, this? Where we're gonna take a string and actually reverse it. Is this a case where we might actually use that normalized function again? Right. Then I can use the normalize again, and now we just have to reverse the string. So which means if we wanted to, we could actually rewrite the palindrome one with a second helper function. One that reverses the string and then compares the two strings. So how would we reverse the string? We already know we're probably going to do this. I have a thought. But I want to hear what you guys think. Yeah, without using reverse, because I feel like that's cheating. Okay, I see what you mean, but I like that one. And then do a for loop. Would temp be not the index then, so okay, gotcha. That's different from what I was thinking. So I don't think we need that. Actually, yeah, I do. No, I don't. One dot length. And then I plus plus. So you're saying, or are you saying the same way, even half of it? Or no? Yeah, but what if it's not an even length? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Wait, hold on. How many was this? That was 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that was even too. Let's see if this one works with hello. Okay. So it should work then. It didn't error out anyway, so. Oh, it is. Look at that. Didn't even see that. Okay, so I don't know why I did pal. I do know why I did pal. I meant to put 1. Got it. Okay. So no, I can't do that. I just don't like typing that over and over again, but I guess I will. And then 1 dot length minus I minus 1 equals 10. meant to return it. Not that it really matters, but. Let's try it with hello first. Since it's not a palindrome, we'll be able to see that one easily. That did not work. Now I'm confused. Right. It is working. Like temp is H, current index is H, the last one is O. Wait a minute, no, it's not working. It never swapped them. I mean, it's pulling out the right characters, it's just not swapping them. See, my thought was to do something like, and then do, That was my thought process. Like, put it into an array. Apparently it doesn't like that. Why can't I push it in there? Oh, because it's not push, it's is it append? No, it can't be append. I forget what it is now. No, it is push, isn't it? Invalid array length. You're talking about invalid array length. Oh. Ooh, it really did not like that. Hmm. Interesting. Yeah, that might work. Chris has doing a for loop decrementing and push each into a new array from the end towards the front. That makes more sense too. My thought process was just take them out one at a time, put them in the array, and then pop them back out again. But I guess I that didn't work. At least maybe I screwed something up. I'm not sure. But I actually have to get going to my class at the moment. But we can actually continue that on Saturday. Before we go into interview skills. So Saturday starts week 3 of CodeZeroAlgos, where we are going to go over some common interview questions. And week 4 we're going to do some mock interviews is the plan. Does anybody have any questions, comments, or concerns before I head out for tonight so I can get to class? All right, I will push this up, and I got to get the recordings up because they failed earlier when I tried to push them in. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my computer. So I will push the recordings up tonight. Yeah, no problem. And I will see you guys later this week.